Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth for dusting. You'll also need a compatible replacement battery for your Dyson V8. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Start by disconnecting the vacuum from the charger and ensuring it is turned off. Lay the vacuum on a flat surface, preferably a workbench or a clean floor. This will help you have better access to the screws. Next, locate the screws that hold the battery compartment in place. There are typically 2 Phillips screws on the rear side of the vacuum. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place so you don't lose them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the battery cover away from the vacuum. Be cautious as there may be some dust or debris inside. Use the clean cloth to wipe away any dirt you find. This not only helps in keeping your vacuum clean but also ensures that the new battery fits snugly. Now, you'll see the old battery. To remove it, locate the latch or the connector that holds it in place. Carefully lift the latch and disconnect the battery. If you encounter any resistance, double-check to make sure there are no additional screws or clips holding it in place. With the old battery removed, take your new compatible battery and align it with the connectors in the battery compartment. Push down gently until you hear a click, indicating that the battery is securely in place. If you're unsure about the compatibility of your new battery, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure you're using the right parts. After securing the new battery, replace the battery cover by aligning it properly and pressing it down until it clicks into place. Then, take your Phillips screwdriver and reinsert the screws you set aside earlier. Make sure they are tight but do not over-tighten, as this could strip the screws. Once the screws are in place, give the vacuum a final inspection to ensure everything is secure. Wipe down the exterior with your clean cloth to remove any fingerprints or dust from the repair process. Now, it's time to test your vacuum. Plug it back into the charger and allow it to charge fully before attempting to use it. If you prefer not to handle the battery replacement yourself, remember that we also offer a quote before repair service, so you know the costs up front without any surprises. No calls, no travel, just convenience at your fingertips. After your vacuum has charged for a sufficient amount of time, turn it on to ensure that everything is working correctly. You should notice improved performance with the new battery. Regular maintenance of your vacuum, including battery replacement, is crucial for optimal performance and longevity. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.